For users with Vectorworks, the visualization palette is a convenient way to manage all lights and cameras in a Vectorworks file. With this palette, you can quickly locate any light in your file. For example, since the lights listed in this palette have generic names, it would be very difficult to determine which is light 2. But by right-clicking on light 2 and choosing Select on Document, the light is highlighted and centered on the page. Now that I know which light is light 2, I can also edit the light, including renaming it. I'm also going to rename the other two lights so that they are all easily identifiable. New lights can also be created by right-clicking in a blank area of the visualization palette and clicking New. This activates the light tool found in the visualization toolset, where you can modify settings for the new light and then place it where desired. Cameras can also be managed in the same way. If I switch to the Camera tab, you can see there are two cameras listed. Since the name of the cameras are listed in the plan, there is no option to select on Document when right-clicking a camera, but I can activate the camera's view by right-clicking and selecting Activate, or by double-clicking the camera name. As you can see from the view, currently all of the lights are turned off. If I switch back to the Lights tab, all I need to do is place a check in the On column to turn on a light. I can also set whether or not a particular light casts shadows or not. The visualization palette also allows you to create lighting overrides for sheet layer viewports. Let's say I wanted to keep this current view, but I wanted to experiment with different lighting colors. I would first create a sheet layer viewport, then select the viewport. Notice that in the visualization palette, the option Selected Viewports is highlighted. Now, if I want to edit the lights in any way I like, maybe changing the brightness of the center light and turning the right light and changing its color and brightness, I can make all of these changes without affecting the lighting settings on the design layer. Using the visualization palette greatly decreases the amount of steps needed to edit or manage lights and cameras quickly. Just keep in mind, this palette is for users with Vectorworks and can remain closed or minimized until it is needed.